This is the Center for Native Environmental Health Equity, and it brings together several tribes that have been working on issues related to mine waste contamination. And what we're trying to do is several things. We're trying to both bring them all together to have common methods and learn from each other and help each other in answering these really complicated questions, but also to mentor a lot of young Native American students to become the scientists who answer these questions in the future in collaboration with their communities. And the work we're doing today brings together Crow, Navajo, and Sioux investigators and tribal members, and it's been the first time we've all been able to get together, and it's been a really powerful experience.
I find myself in a really interesting position as a Ph.D. student because on one hand, I'm a member of a tribal community that has been directly impacted by abandoned mines. But on the other hand, I'm also a very curious and passionate researcher and scientist. So I think being in this position really is important for being a role model for young Native people that at some point might be interested in science or engineering. That also in this position, it's important that we learn the knowledge and the skill set and the methodologies and the training to really go out there and be the best advocates for Native communities because we ourselves are from these communities. I think that our approach to collaboration has been really impressive so far with the center because it's very interdisciplinary and we're working very closely with tribal community members. Because Cheyenne River is the bulk of my research right now, it's really important for me to be able to interface with community members and all of the folks at the Environment Department, and those even from other communities like Crow and my own Navajo cohort, to really get at addressing the main purpose of the center, which is Native environmental equity research.
Yat'e, my name is Ranalda Tsosie, currently a graduate student at the University of Montana in the Individual Interdisciplinary Doctoral Program. My emphasis are in the areas of chemistry, geoscience, and environmental studies. I believe that this collaboration is not only essential, but it also brings about awareness of tribal nations in terms of environmental issues as well as the environmental impacts to their nations.
The collaboration with NIH-funded programs like this allow tribes to come together, talk about some of the research they're doing on their reservations and how we can mesh the cultural aspect of each one of our tribes in making a better not only study but using that information for a really good risk assessment. Besides getting to know other people, other tribes, we all learn from each other, and I think even the people that are kind of teaching us, the professors from UNM, they learn from us, and I think it's just an idea of sharing our knowledge.
I think I've met a lot of people and learned a lot from my mentors, people that are the principal investigators, but also all the way back to people at Cheyenne River that were showing us some of the sites and that actually know the best about where they live and the issues that affect them.
For me, this is an opportunity to meet new collaborators and be a part of a new program. It's a continuation of what we've been doing in Crow, looking at our water quality issues and how we can address them. And so this is an exciting new start. And I'm happy to be here on Cheyenne River and meet Carlyle and all of his staff and all the new people that we'll be working with from University of New Mexico. And so I want to thank you again. I hope